Hello everyone! If you're new here, my name is Petra. I'm a Hungarian living in Budapest. It's November the 30th, which means it's the first weekend of Advent. And that also means that the holiday season started.
It's time.
Yeah, insert Mariah Carey, it's time meme. So we have to decorate the flat, or we don't have to, but we will. And yeah, you're following along. So let's do our first task, which is grabbing the good old Christmas tree. I made this afternoon. This is gonna be the table for it because we actually don't really use it for anything, but that's gonna be perfect for the Christmas tree. So pretty.
Christmas tree done.
What?
Christmas tree done.
Oh, it's gonna be very tall. How cool! Wow, it looks nice. Let's get the Christmas bubbles.
Bubbles.
Baublech. Isn't it? I made these. Let's grab them. They are from air dry clay. And I started to paint them. But then I decided that maybe it's good to have just like plain ones. They supposed to be gingerbreads actually. You tell me. Does these look like gingerbread? Now it's kind of fine from all angles. Now we just have to decorate the whole room. Woo! We bought new tablecloth from Pepco.
Not sponsored.
Of course it's not.
It's important to clarify.
It's pretty, is it?
Yes.
It's very big. Ooh, it's way too big. Maybe we should halve it. It's not even visible. Look at it, it's so cute. This is the best I could come up. Whatever. I also had an idea that I will use these old boxes.
Make fake presents.
Make fake presents. The bottom is quite empty. I think it's gonna be nice. So much better. Isn't it? It doesn't look that empty now. I put my garland on the TV. We never use it. It's not working actually. I think that's it. It looks really cozy. I like it. And we got him a little lamp. Show it. Very nice. Today is another grey and gloomy day, and I'm here alone for a few hours, so I thought that this is the perfect opportunity to bake something. And since it's December, we're going to make gingerbread. Gingerbread is not traditionally Hungarian, but it's very popular here as well. It has a very long history, so it's kind of traditional in that sense. First, we have to melt the honey and the butter. We're going to mix it with powdered sugar and add 1 egg and this spice mix. I'm going to follow the instructions of this one because my mother always does this exact recipe, the behind of this mix, and I'm going to share it, so don't worry about it. One interesting thing about the gingerbread is that in Hungarian they call it mézes kalács, which is more like honey bread, and that's because Hungarians were always famous for their honey. That was quite a delicacy back in the days. It still is a delicacy because it's quite expensive. So it was very festive when the family could buy some honey. A little background to the history of the gingerbread. Now goes in the gingerbread mix. Oh my god, it smells so good. I put the whole package, even though I halved every ingredient, just because I want really gingerbready. Once we made the flour and the baking soda mixture in another bowl, we're going to add it slowly to the spice mix. The dough is ready, and now we have to put it into the fridge for 5 to 6 hours. 5.5 hours is gone, so now it's time to make the little cookies. Just enough to make it too sticky. Here's the dough. It looks incredibly nice. Okay, here's kind of the dough. It should be 0.5 centimeter tall, so I think it's quite okay. Also, I forgot to say that in the meantime, we should preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and then bake it until it's golden brown. Well, that's not really helpful. I checked it online and it said that if I smell the gingerbread, it's ready. And that shouldn't be more than 5 to 8 minutes. So that's quite quick. I thought it's gonna be much longer, like at least 20 minutes. So I'm glad I checked it out. Look at them. They became a bit fluffy, but that's all right. Now comes in the second one. So that's the first round, and they are actually quite nice on the other side. Whoa! Oh! My personal favorite, the worried bear. Just to actually document the kind of luck. We're here for less than a week before we go to our parents to celebrate Christmas. We decided that after work we're going to the Buda Castle and check out the Christmas market there. Nothing really big or something, just like half an hour or 1 hour, something like that. Really just to relax a little and just be in the fresh air. But it's 1 hour until we go, and it started to rain. I don't know if you've seen the video about the Christmas market in Budapest. It rained as well. And it was okay, but I don't really have the mood to do that again. And I also prepared the stuff because I wanted to make snacks because we don't want to spend more money on food. So right now I don't know what we want to do. It rains quite heavily. Maybe we will just have like a cozy movie night or something. Anyways, one thing's for sure, we still need dinner. So I wanted to bake some puff pastry and fill it with hot dogs and cheese, and also spread it with ketchup. It looks like that the rain is stopped, so we will try and go out. I think this is gonna be a very nice surprise.
Dancing like there's no way he could fall. The world he sees is empty after all. Free to follow my lead, free to follow, but careful what you say. He's always watching every step I take, mocking me with all of my charades. Free to follow my lead. And I meet him every day in quiet rooms that dim the light away. Find that he's got quite a lot to say. Free to follow my lead.
I brought food. Who said you can't have a picnic in December? And that winter, look. Potatoes. It's still hot. It's still hot.
Free to follow my lead, free to follow, and something in those words. You shine a light on all I've ever heard, and soon enough he's gone and filled the world. Free to follow my lead, free to follow my lead.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little Christmas vlog. I wish you all a happy December, whether or not you're celebrating Christmas, and see you in the next one. Bye!
free to follow my lead, free to follow